Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Aisha. Today I'm going to talk about top metaverse project. Watch this video carefully until the end because in my previous videos I've talked about sandbox crypto analysis. I've mentioned that this is not a good time to enter buy position. It's for 8 days ago when we have some sort of event. For example, for sandbox project on 29th of November, alpha mode of this game is going to be launched. Okay, when we have the date, for example, from 1 month before, price will move up. Okay, price will move up dramatically, but after the event, price will start a correction. For example, after 29th of November, I expect the price to move down because we are at the potential top. After that, price moved down for something like 50%. Okay, so this was not a good time to buy position, to enter buy position at that top. But right now I'm going to update my analysis about sandbox. As you can see, this is a sandbox website. You can play in this metaverse. You can have fun with your friends. You can earn a lot of rewards right now, crypto NFTs and 1000 sand right now, 3 exclusive alpha NFTs. So you can win these rewards by playing this metaverse game right now. And last night I've played this project. It was really fun. I recommend you to play this game because it's a good game, and I myself, I've enjoyed it, but it was a little bit laggy. Okay, I had a little lag in this game because these days this project is quite busy. But right now we want to talk about Sand USDT technical analysis. So let's begin. We had an uptrend channel here, something like this. And after I saw something like this, I mentioned that this is not a good time to enter buy position in sand. And as you can see, we had a nice correction in the price. And in that video here, 8 days ago, I have mentioned that the good prices to enter buy position for sand is going to be somewhere around $4. Okay, and as you can see, we had a nice bounce from $4. It's 32% profit right now. But if Bitcoin wants to continue this bearish movement, if we have more bearish correction in the market in Bitcoin price, I think this crypto can reach lower levels. Okay, so the good and the potential support for this cryptocurrency right now is going to be somewhere around $4. The first bottom, the first potential dip is going to be an area around $4. The second potential support is going to be the area somewhere around $3. Okay, at these two supports, I'm going to enter buy position in sand. And also I might invest in some lands, okay, in the metaverse of sandbox. Okay, so right now I think it's going to be a good opportunity. If we have more correction in the price, I'm going to buy some lands, and also I might invest in sandbox project. But remember that this video is not a financial advice, and we are analyzing chart with educational purposes. And also, in other point of view, we had another uptrend channel here, something like this, and as you can see, price had a pullback to this uptrend channel. Okay, as long as we are above this uptrend channel, everything is good, and still we can touch higher levels. Okay, and this channel is telling us that the first potential dip is going to be somewhere around $4, and if we drop for more, the second one is going to be the area around $3. Okay, so right now in sandbox, in order to sum up, I think the potential support is going to be around $4 and $3 in this area, because we have 100 days moving average reaching this area too. I think in upcoming days this moving average is going to move up really fast, and it's going to reach somewhere around here. Okay, and I think the potential support is going to be somewhere around this area. After we reach this area, I'm going to enter buy position somewhere around $4 and $3. And also, in order to find a nice support, you need to check your chart on multiple time frames. For example, in weekly time frame, I can see that we have a potential support somewhere around $3. Why? Because this area was a strong resistance. Okay, on weekly time frame, we had a wick here, and also another rejection candle from this area. And as you can see, we had the breakout after this one. Okay, so this level somewhere around $2.8 to $3 is going to be the second potential support for me. And also on monthly time frame, if we check monthly, you can see that it's a 50% of a long candle. Okay, when we have a long candle in market, for example something like this, the 50% is going to work as a strong support. Okay, as you can see, we had this support before and we had 60% bounce from this the 50% of this candle. Okay, and right now we are having this long candle again, and from the 50% of this candle we can have a strong bounce to the upside. So right now as you can see, with too many point of views, we can understand that we have potential supports somewhere around $4 and $3, and I think it's going to be the potential area for having another wave to the upside in Sandbox project. And also if you check RSI on daily time frame, we can see that this level of RSI somewhere around, for example 50, works as a strong support. The second support is going to be somewhere around 35. Okay, so it's showing us again that the potential support is going to be somewhere around $4, and if we want to have more correction in Bitcoin price, the second support is going to be the area somewhere around $3. Okay, and after that we are going to have a strong bounce to the upside because it happens each time RSI level reach this area. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget that this video and all of my contents, they are not financial advice, and we are analyzing chart with educational purposes. And also comment below that what project do you think is going to be the best metaverse project, especially low market cap projects. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up and see you later.